Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like this video and hit that red subscribe button, and your support would be greatly appreciated. And as always, a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. Now, looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we are currently sitting at $955 billion, up 0.8%, but still down below that $1 trillion mark. But we will definitely take that 0.8% move that we have seen over the last 24 hours. But BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 38.5%. Now, if we are looking at the overall markets, you guys can see something very interesting is going on. Overall, majority of the market is in green right now, but it's just a mild green, so nothing too exciting going on right now, but we will definitely take that. But today, guys, I want to look further into one project that I absolutely love on my channel, and that project is none other than Vechain. Alright, my Vechain family, if you are looking at the price of Vechain right now, it is currently trading at 0.022 cents, up 2.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, as well as up 1.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Vechain's current market cap right now is $1.63 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $53.6 million. One thing I do want to point out for you guys is that Vechain is holding quite well right now, around that 35th spot in cryptocurrency market ranking, and that is definitely something to point out and something to give credit to Vechain for right now. But with that being said, let's jump right into the price. But before I jump into the price, I want to share something with you guys, and let's get right into that. So Ian Rich posted this Vechain update. It goes in V Carbon X Digital Carbon Management. So Vechain retweeted about this just the other day, and this is what they have said. Digital carbon management solutions such as V Carbon create unequivocal accountability and pave a path forward for tackling some of the greatest global challenges we face, such as true sustainability. Blockchain is a truth machine, a revolution in data management, and this really goes to show. I continue reminding my viewers that Vechain is one of the few projects that are innovating like no other. They're innovating, they're taking blockchain to the masses, they're helping blockchain succeed, helping the regular business world really adapt to this new technology and really show how powerful it is and how true power blockchain brings to your business, the benefits. And one project that is doing the most for blockchain right now is Vechain, and that is without any question, in my personal opinion. And I really wanted to share this with you guys before I jump into the price. And I just want to say to the Vechain family and the community, just congrats on all the big moves that you guys are making. You guys deserve it, and our time is going to come. But now let's get right into the price and see what exactly is going on with the price of Vechain and where are we going in the immediate short term. So this right here is the daily time frame for you guys for the price of Vechain. Let's look at the bigger picture right now. When we look at the bigger picture, first thing that comes on everyone's mind, and including myself, man, this is just boring at this point. What exactly is going on with Vechain? Is this project ever going to move? Is this project ever going to go back to those levels that we have seen in the past? Or is this it? Like, are we going to be stuck at these levels forever? That's the question on everyone's mind right now. And I don't blame everyone, because at the end of the day, guys, we're humans. We all think alike. We want to make the gains as fast as possible, but unfortunately that's not the case. But right now, if we are looking at the daily time frame right now, we can see not much has been happening. So let's zoom into the charts and give you guys a better perspective as to what has been happening over the past few months. And you guys can see we have been trading below this level of resistance at that below that 3.4 cents mark since basically. I've been trading below it since basically May of 11th, because I don't really take this a wick above that level of resistance on May 23rd too seriously because it was just a wick. We never managed to close above there. So you guys can see we have been, below this level of resistance for quite some time. But now is something exciting I want to share with you guys. Something I really want you guys to pay very, very close attention to. Right now there's a lot of uncertainty. And there's a lot of uncertainty, a lot of, FUD, a lot of people losing hope. Vechain is done. What has been happening? We can't break towards the upside. Just getting very boring. Definitely, I don't blame you guys when it comes to that. Again, as mentioned, we're humans. We want to make the gains as fast as possible. But that's just not the case, guys. One thing I do want to point out for you guys right now is that go look across the board. Look at my videos for a better example. You guys can see one thing very similar for majority, not all, majority of the altcoins, and that is that a lot of them have been in consolidation phases since May. And not much has happened since then. So we need to give Vechain a little, we need to give it a little chillax. Like we need to chill basically, and give it some time. And I do believe that Vechain time is coming sooner rather than later. They're making major strides within the crypto space right now. And that has not impacted the price right now, but that does not mean big players are not watching. That does not mean that big players are not watching. There's big eyes on Vechain right now. And I do believe the year 2023 is going to be very powerful for this project in terms of adoption, as well as, big partnerships, and even the one that we are highly anticipating, which is Coinbase. And right now, best thing to do is, if you are bored of the charts, log your Vechain somewhere where you can access it, and just log it and forget about it, especially if you're in for the long haul, because when we do enter the bull market again, I do believe that Vechain is going to make life-changing gains for some individuals that have held during these rough times. And look at what happened with Quant. Quant was one of the projects that had a consolidation phase just like Vechain since May, and finally popped off and went all the way up to almost 0.50 Fibonacci retracement for itself, and just currently away like 40% away from all-time highs in a bear market. That really goes to show this is cryptocurrencies. Markets can move up very, very fast. And a project like Vechain, especially once it gets listed on Coinbase, more partnerships, they ramp up their marketing, which they are starting to do. And so I want to give props to Vechain for doing that. They're really putting in a lot of effort when it comes to ramping up their marketing. And I do believe the time is coming right now, guys, for us to really start getting exciting. My confirmation where I would see, we might see us try to retest this level of resistance once again, would be if we break out of that 0.027 cents mark. If we break out of that 0.027 cents mark, then I would be very confident that we are going to retest this level of resistance. And if we do bring out the measuring tool for you guys, we're still away about 52% roughly to that level of resistance. So if you have not picked up some Vechain and you do have some money that you can afford to lose, now might be the time, rather than picking it up while it has pumped up quite a bit. And that is something that I would like to give you guys like a tip. You never want to FOMO in. When there's a lot of uncertainty, that's when you want to be accumulating if you really do believe in the project, and always accumulate what you can afford to lose. Do not throw your life savings in. I cannot stress that enough. But BTC, on the other hand, if we are looking at the price of BTC, it has been holding around this 78.6 still till now. Nothing crazy going on with BTC. Still in danger zone. And you guys know, if you guys are a regular viewer on my channel, that I treat Bitcoin in danger zone until it is not above 22k mark, and that's definitely the case right now. It's basically at a last life support at this point. If BTC goes below the 78.6, we could be in a major downwards trend, and we could see BTC fall to 15k, which obviously is going to have an impact on the entire market along with Vechain. But if we do start to see move towards the upside, a lot of analysts are calling altcoin season to start, so that could cause a lot of excitement as well. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 42%. Nothing has changed on that, but that is it for today's update. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys think and where you could see the price of Vechain go at the end of this year. Most importantly, at the end of next year, 2023. Let me know in the comment section below, and do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love each and every one of you guys. See you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.